Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, this is your phonic reader 2. Now open the page number 11. Now let's start reading. M by my, G-U-N gun, I-S is, O-N on, T-H-E the, R-U-G rug. My gun is on the rug. My gun is on the rug. And the next line is a N-U-T nut, C-U-T cut, I-N in, a H-U-T hut. A nut cut in a hut. Now we will repeat this line. A nut cut in a hut. And the next line is a C-U-B cup, R-U-N run, I-N in, F-U-N fun. A cup run in fun. A cup run in fun. And then the last line is a M-U-G mug, W-I-T-H with, a T-U-B tub. A mug with a tub. Now read it again. A mug with a gun. A M-U-G mug, W-I-T-H with, a T-U-B tub. A mug with a tub. Children, I hope you will understand that how will you read this page. You will read this page at home with the guidance of your parents again and again. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.